Hey everybody, we're out here taking the Transit for a test drive so you can hear the Maxxair fan rattle. So hopefully the phone's picking that up. I want you to hear what it sounds like. We're going to install the gaskets today and then take it for another drive and see if that rattle is cured by their little modification kit. We have these little rubber gaskets from the modification kit from Maxxair Fan. I'm just gonna test fit one on before using the rubber cement. Looks like that's how that's supposed to go. It says to put it inside the gasket, so okay. Okay, let's move to the other side. We'll do the same thing over there. Okay, I'm just holding it for another couple minutes while it sets. This is the same rubber gasket material that they use on the main square. Well, we're driving the same stretch of road that we drove for the earlier part of the video, and I'm pretty sure you can still hear the fan lid rattle after putting the modification on. So I'm afraid it doesn't work very well. I'm gonna keep researching this and see if I can find a better way to stop that rattle so everybody will have a good hint. Off we go.